bigger than we thought. Let's visit Old MacDonald's farm. It's bigger than we thought, with so many animals to meet. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. A cow says moo on the farm today. That's what she likes to say. With a oink oink here and a snort snort there, here an oink, there a snort, in the mud with the grunt. A pig says oink on the farm today. That's what he likes to say.